What's up, everybody? It's Max Tapper, your favorite new construction realtor. Thank you for stopping by my channel, Your New Home with Max Tapper, where I take you on luxury home tours of new build communities in New York and New Jersey with the goal of helping you find your new home. If you're thinking of moving to the area, whether it's 9 days or 90 days, my team and I would love to help you make a smooth transition. Without further ado, let's get to the tour. And remember, stick around to the end of the video because I'm going to share with you some of the coolest things about this condo that you're not going to want to miss. Let's get started. So today we're taking a look at the Link at W Squared luxury condominium building in Princeton Junction, New Jersey. The model we're going to tour is called the Hamilton. With a starting price of $699,990, it's 1,386 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2 flex rooms, and 1 balcony. Before we go inside, let's talk about one of the most exciting features of this community, and that's the Promenade. Located directly in front of your condo building, the Promenade will feature luxury rental buildings by Avalon Communities and retail locations on the first floor with shopping, dining, and a recreational area. Another one of its most attractive features is its location. Built merely 500 feet away from the Princeton Junction, New Jersey Transit train station, giving you a train directly to New York City and points north and south of Princeton in New Jersey. Here's a few pictures of what it's going to look like when it's completed. Can you see yourself living here? Looks like a great place to live. Now, let's get back to our tour. If you're enjoying this content, please like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell button so you can be notified of all new home tours as soon as they're released. And this is the parking lot, located on the first floor. Each one of the condominiums comes with 1 or 2 parking spaces, and each parking space comes with an electric vehicle charger. Well, what do you think? Can you see yourself living here? Comment below and let me know what your favorite and least favorite part of this apartment tour was. See right there, the train is actually just arriving. Let's see if we can. So we're actually catching the train arriving now at Princeton Junction. Nice. And you back out. That's where it is. It's awesome that it actually showed up now, so you can get a real idea of what it's like getting off the train here. Get off the train station, you're right across from the train station, and this is Lincoln W Square right here. Condo building, this is actually the front of it. You can see everything else is still not done around it, but as I said, this is the Promenade. So these are gonna be big stores, big, huge stores, restaurants, all type of shopping. So this is one of the coolest things about this area, but I tell you that you do not wanna miss. If you live here at Lincoln W Square in Princeton, it's gonna be an awesome community. You're gonna get off right on the train over here. You'll be able to take New Jersey Transit, and one other train will be able to get off right there. This takes you straight to Manhattan. This takes you down to South Jersey, all different other locations, but you are in the prime location in Princeton, New Jersey. So what do you think about this home tour? You never know. The next one might be your new home. If you enjoyed this tour, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.